Ok, nhớ rong cái ti số lên số tù rong xa tổng tuần chứng minh nhau Facebook nó nè, ok. Chà, mong yếu xỉu lưu rồi lại. Cú bụi tôi bảo mong trời tốt lại nhau sai hay thì Black people giờ cho cứ cho bây giờ mong tôi tới chỉ mình cả nó giờ chúng mong khi đâu mà bây tôi chỉ rõ. Ủa tiểu ô chợ giá nho lại cho là mua tên là tới cho lù nó là xài nó ok. Nó special tuần giờ nữa ok. Ấy nữa mà tôi khi đâu to mà nên mà thổ phong tới mà 1962, 1964. Let me tell you something, man. Thing you know, it's way before thổ biết tôi thổ tới chỉ bị cả nó nè, okay? It doesn't. I mean, we ain't talking about that. Bet talk to bet to the Jimmy got on that, okay? And you know who brought me here? This is my sign. Right here. Thanks to GVP, who brought me to the United States. Without him, I would not be here. You should give your respect and honor to General Vang Pao. Okay? You obviously forgot that without him, your ass ain't gonna be here right now, as we speaking. You be in Laos somewhere, probably selling your ass. Or maybe out there in a cornfield, rice field, which they all do, okay? So be glad that General Vang Pao, ya biết tu leader, biết tu mong nè, phó tài nè, mấy bao. Giờ hết tại ni ấy tu general là, ni biết tu phó tài nè, nó là like I said, he paid the price for all of us to be here. Okay? So General Van Powell is looking down right now, looking at you guys, talking about Kaydoo is the one who brought you here. You must be out of your mind. I'm sure he is so disappointed in you. Okay? The man that you're supposed to honor is this guy. Cho Kaydoo này mẹ ta lulu bé này bụi bụi từ Kaydoo sponsor bé cho mong tôi tới Jamaica. I just want to see one family or two family, and I want to see proof that they do sponsor your Kaydoo, okay? And don't be making up some shit either. I want some real shit. We're talking about facts here, man, truth here. All right? Don't be putting up signs talking about Kaydoo. You have to cho bé tôi nè. Mình nhảy một xíu lưu luôn nè, huh? This is who got us here. Okay? We came here since 1976. Alright? Ain't no Hmong people came in 1960 or 1962. I'll tell you that right now. So, we'll try to make your Hmong BLN, okay? This is my sign. Alright? So if you don't like it, okay, that's all I gotta say to you. Alright, GVP, Hmong Lives Matter, and free through Tao.